We have Gautam and Kishore. In team hydrogen, Subhashri and Andrea. In team oxygen, Janashri and Lakshaya. In team nitrogen, we'll start the program with round 1. It is qualified round. Each team will be getting 2 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. The question will not be passed. The team which can least point will be eliminated. Now let's start the questions from hydrogen. What is the instrument used to electric current? Correct answer. For team hydrogen, 1 mark. Team oxygen. What is the abundant gas in the atmosphere? Correct answer. For team oxygen, 1 mark. Team nitrogen. Which is the only metal liquid at room temperature?
Mercury.
Correct answer. For team nitrogen, 1 mark. Team hydrogen. Give the name of the element with symbol W.
Tungsten.
Correct answer. For team hydrogen, 1 mark. Team nitrogen. What is the chemical substance secreted by endocrine glands? Time up. The answer is hormones.
You are eliminated.
Now let's move on to round 2. In this round, each team will be getting 1 mark. Now let's start the questions from hydrogen. I discovered the watermelon model of an atom. Who am I?
Lattice theory.
Wrong answer. The answer is J.J. Thomson. Team got 2 marks. Team hydrogen. I am the one who discovered a force by seeing an apple falling from tree. Who am I?
Sir Isaac Newton.
Correct answer. For team hydrogen, 1 mark. Team oxygen. I am the one gas responsible for your survival.
Oxygen.
Correct answer. For team oxygen, 2 marks.
For the round 3, balancing chemical equations. In the team must balance the equation. Each correct equation gets 2 marks. No grace marks for incomplete equation. This question is for team hydrogen. Team oxygen. The question is for team hydrogen. answer. The team hydrogen got 2 marks. Team oxygen. Correct answer. Team oxygen got 2 marks. Next round, bioscope. In this round, each team will be shown a picture. You have to identify the scientific word related to the picture. Each correct answer gets 2 marks. The question is for team hydrogen. Potential energy. Wrong answer. Correct answer, force. This question is for oxygen. Electricity. Correct answer. Team oxygen got 2 marks. This question is for team hydrogen. Pressure. Correct answer. Team hydrogen got 2 marks. This question is for team oxygen. Thunder and lightning. Correct answer. Team oxygen got 2 marks. Now, the winner team is Team Oxygen. Give a big round of applause to the winner team. Now, our respected correspondent sir will give a present to the winners. Thank you, sir. Congrats to the winner team. Now, it's a great pleasure to have Mrs. Shiba Manu ma'am of Science Department as a special guest for today. May I request you to take the stage to share your valuable thoughts with us?
Good evening to to everyone present here. First, I would like to extend my gratitude to our correspondent sir and principal madam for this invitation. Dear students, Science Association Meet is a wonderful platform that allows you to discover and also showcase your hidden talent beyond the classroom. I am delighted to see such a relevant program on this occasion. Now, dear students, you did the program well. The programs of cancer and their risk factors of cancer, prevention to antibiotics, pollution, and also the periodic table. All the programs were well. Now here, this program will showcase your hidden talent, and also these programs build up a foundation for understanding the materials that shape our world. Last but not least, I appreciate the teachers for their guidance and also commend the children for their participation and also enthusiasm, which made this event a grand success. Finally, I would encourage the students, all must participate the program like this in future. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable speech. I am sure it will motivate our young minds. Now, I would like to call upon Lakshya of 8D to deliver the vote of thanks. Good afternoon, one and all present here. I am standing in front of you to extend my gratitude for making this event a great success. As we enjoy today's Science Literary Association, let us also look forward to the future. Let us continue to nurture and support our young scientists, encouraging them to pursue their passion and contribute to the advancement of knowledge. The potential for discovery and innovation is limitless when we foster a love for science. In conclusion, I want to thank our beloved chief guest whose presence and speech gave us motivation. Thank you, ma'am, and I want to thank our honorable correspondent sir for giving this opportunity to exhibit our talents. Thank you, sir, our beloved ma'am, always at the backbone of our institution. Thank you, ma'am, our supervisor who support us. Thank you, ma'am, our teacher who guided us. Thank you, teachers and all the participants who did their best. Your support and participation are what make events like this possible and successful. Let's make this opportunity to celebrate, learn, and be inspired